Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. Look at my fidget spinner. It's like the best one I've ever had and probably the best one in our school. I don't know, but it's sick. And check this video out of me just spinning it, and hopefully we get loads of views and people will want it. And I'm not selling it, only if you give me 100 quid. And I know it's only a short one, and I'm gonna just end it there. So subscribe, like, comment, and peace.